Okay, my people, now welcome back. My name is still Elenu, and this now the parliament, the boss will be say get first steering with 4 drivers. They drive. This, my eye, they red. Of course, we don't talk about before 35-year-old man will commit suicide, and also National Union of Road Transport Worker, aka Agbero, where the professional Agbero, where person best friend.
With a nice name.
You also they wear uniform.
Yes. Torchlight, the wife. The next matter now, we will hand up over to our second driver within the house, MC Shaggy.
Back in there. This one I just small matter. Every say yes. You don't see him for
Internet they should go.
Don't try for us to go bite your tongue. The next matter I want to get for granted, matter MC yes, and for Lagos here it happen. Maybe say one guy just dated, they use they find look for a daily bread, and he come say waiting they sell. Now blue film they in the cell. So now
man and woman film.
The man and woman when they run things. So now they come baba. You know, say Lagos State they get many law, but you know they get some law when they ever create we don't know.
Yeah, I don't even know say this now.
Now even don't say this in a law. They come bab the guy, carry and go. They arrest the guy saying they sell blue film.
But one question with me I want to ask, me say, before they arrest this guy, so they consider us, sorry, the masses, where they benefit.
You good as them. You good. You know why you don't finish the story.
I know. I sure now what's happening.
You good as them arrest them because they don't put many people for trouble. You know, say you get one pastor we come from East, come Lagos, may come buy Amazing Grace CD. If they hear they see they play Amazing Grace, may they give a CD. Now they go carry these people where they sell this this blue film. Put inside the CD for a pastor. You don't know, he cannot go in church. He say, oh yeah, today let's worship God. I want you people to see. Now they begin play. Church empty now. As I talk to you now, the pastor and usher for another church. So good as they arrest them.
Why? As they arrest, how many will arrest? As you didn't, what time say blue film not there for?
For where why was
you?
Shaggy, why?
I'm an adult statesman like me.
You don't get blue film for you.
Don't get blue film.
You don't get time to try now. But seriously, Shaggy.
When they go, you know, hear that confirm.
Wait. According to Lucky Child,
Shaggy,
tell us one life history.
As Shakara talk, myself I was supporter. The same about life history. Because truly Shaggy and Shakara and Elenu.
You get one thing without happen before now.
This blue pit thing, the way that they say, they don't make up everywhere now. It don't spoil our youth, especially teenagers.
Because even the old mama themselves.
12 years old, for area, 12 years old girl get belle. For what? If not about this thing. I go ask and say, Ojuko, come. Now belle you get so.
No.
Now them say no, now stomach ulcer.
If
If only them say na stomach ulcer, they see belle, so they ask me to get belle. They spoil them.
Based on true life story. When I did just
thank God,
get one
story.
When we say nobody knows say she get belle, she just there, she dey package the belle, get her the do am. She dey wear big, you know say just cold. So everybody wear sweater for just. Okay. So we got take her say na cold, you know, they wear sweater. One day she just climb Okada, go hospital, boom, come back. Nobody see belle, no nothing. So now they call give her nickname, they call Mama Jesus.
Now, with another life story too. This will happen to me.
Okay, life story that they call now. Let me okay.
But you don't say everybody, nobody, all of us.
What are friends for if you cannot?
Where would they grow? Where would they grow? Most of us watch blue film.
No, I know what.
Minus me.
No. I look. I know
what. I see the poster.
That's how they dodge that theater. I don't lie for you. I did dodge that theater. I can't dodge that theater one day. My master be flogged where. Call the watch. I call your mama the climb staircase because more than I are off the thing. I not quickly remove her. And I say, what did they watch? I say, no. What did they watch? No, that fear now. See flogging. I call her enter room. I call say my mama go sit down. I go sit down. Now what did they watch since with this? Which can't hear picking? They flog me small. And I say, small than anything just off. I say, say where the second one? Any other second one?
So let me say you need to flog your mama.
You see? The government they should think about people. When they think about other people, they say this is the beneficial too. That's what I'm saying.
No. If you get what they talk about, it gets some people will be say the thing they help. You get some home married people who
Yeah.
maybe say if they no watch them, they no fit ginger.
They no fit ginger,
They
yes.
don't they used to themselves.
Yes.
Yeah,
You know?
because government no
even
ban
as they
am.
joke, now good thing that government they do make them know.
Government no ban am.
Just like I talk, I
They just
say if
say
you want
no.
drink alcohol, drink responsibly.
Yeah.
Although we no say we know they drink responsibly because once you carry money go give with the sell drink, who won't check your ID card?
So if you want watch blue film, watch responsibly.
Maybe they go. I don't know whether they will get organization where many people now an organization where different this. Maybe organization of blue film sellers. Because recently, now some group come out they complain or say everybody they campaign, nobody don't talk what they go do for them. Association of Nigerian prostitutes. Say nobody don't talk anything.
You know, the one say come out recently.
Then always they promise.
Now this guy be the head now, Kelly Blind.
Okay.
Kelly Blind.
Disabled Association. They
That
don't come out too. All of them come out. They say may Lagos state and federal government affect their life.
Okay.
Okay, make you for no break quiet. The next one we say Lucky Child, what you get to tell us? According to your life history.
Well, now this is a real life history, but now good news, oh, hey, still on I the red, but now good news. No, this
first time.
You know, so where every person call life now good news. But when it happen, and I make us able to talk the matter. You get this woman, they come from Ogun State, oh. You carry one picking for back, you hold one for hand. You can't get small belle. But that's small belle that she get to. But as she come the road, they come from Mowe area. Now a memory can tell her say inside the bus where she dey, it resemble hospital. And the driver resemble doctor. Why conductor resemble nurse? Now the woman born inside bus. So woman delivers in a bus. Bossy baby boy. That's
a very economical man. She know how many they spend money for hospital. What is the wrong inside?
I could trust some kind bus conductor. I think when they want collect money now for two. Say no, let me enter. No, you know when they come now, how many people they come now?
Shakara, now that you go. To me, the Peking plan in destiny come. He wants to be a conductor.
Oh my God!
No, everybody they go for inside bus.
Okay, not say very soon now.
Because after all, they born Jesus for main judge.
If not, Barack Obama, they born for Barack. You know, go be president.
So with the situation of this, when they go now.
You don't know.
Okay.
That's why you they name children now.
They name you for when they born you.
Like you now, they born you for student and official studio.
That's what I get one girl where they into poem. She go make the research. She can't tell me. Gloria the poet. Say even George Bush. Say that for Bush. Now they born. So
why they go they complain of woman we born for boss? If they born a whole judge where rule America. That be say Nigeria get.
So the only name we never click for me so far. Now one guy from my street where they call success. He don't feel tired. And he name na success. Nothing where they do any success.
Name not they follow human being.
Really.
Oh my God.
So I have a dream that this picky where they're born inside this bus will become president
of America.
Of Nigeria.
Not try Nigeria office.
When president they were lost for 1951, see the contest, they dream of person they bought for boss yesterday. Make if like say na nightmare.
No, but
People will fight.
Thinking a conductor.
Why they say na president? Everybody, people when they bought for hospital they never be president finish. Lucky no make me vex.
Wait, Shakara. You know where they born Jesus?
That's people who fight independence for us.
No, Jesus now they born for Menjana. That's why he's a good shepherd. Now we be sheep.
So okay, this might be head of road transport workers, but at least
that line, that
make you don't get best friend, no.
And I don't know what they imagine. You know, say somebody feel just die now. Go there, go see all those old people who don't die since. They go there, fight. Go they see there about Macaulay. Go they see all those Oyibo they rule us before. Because it's your country now. We gave independence to them. I say, now one of those people who give independence, I won't be president.
One of the people will shake your hand. I'm the president now.
But I think for this picky way come out easily now. One of that picky, that G so always the G say, woman get belle. You don't do hospital, doctor they shout, push. Pikin no gree they come out. Push, no gree they come. When go manage come and yalla for where? There they go. The family, go for me, and then they come out. But this come easily.
Now so now, of course, this is the I the red where one bus we get 4 steering and 4 drivers to drive up. We don't talk about many things, and as we tell you always, if you get stories that we want more to talk, you hear them for news, you see them for paper, you hear them for radio, or even for television, you see them on our proco. Just send and give us for email. We'll be I the red at wazobiatv.tv. I DEY RED at Wazobia TV. It's your screen now. Just send the email. We go bring the matter. We go look am. Go talk am. The thing go totori for body so that you go know say even in the midst of all the gbege wey dey, you still feel laugh. Even as you read the serious topic, you still feel laugh for the matter. Now make we dey here to make your weekend. They go siriri, where. And I say where we could just make a belle sweet small again. We could see this last video so that if we talk inside before we go walk come off inside the studio.
In fact, viewers, see what I go do. Immediately the program finish and I find any nice video for house.
Don't play.
Don't play for yourself. Just take and say.
Nah, the conclusion of us.
Just take and say.
No. Monica, you know if they shout for example, here say video day. Who shall let who do this thing? Viewers, now thank you for joining us. Good night. What do you talk?
Elenu,
why can we not wrap up?
Elenu, I know the red now. If you join all of us now, I will block you.
Oh boy. I don't know whether this one, I don't know whether we go still blame them on the government. Because anything now they blame say they blame say
na government.
So what be the government role now? For the video we're supposed to play, we don't play.
It be like
if you look into it,
the government
committee
of video.
No. It be like when they complain, say, this weather is too hot. The government should look into it. They won't cover the country.
The last time we say now to set up committee to look into
the matter.
Again, when they set up one committee. You know, the committee no come they bring in results. Like I say, they could set up another committee to look into that committee.
If that committee where they look into committee and not do well, they will come set another committee where they look into another committee.
At the end of the day, the solution.
So at the end of the day now, make we look into the matter. We say we don't round up. Una good night. My name is Elenu, and from me, Shakara Lucky Child and MC Shakara, we say Odabo.
I don't say Odabo. I say good night.
I'll just say good night.